Factor adjusts to keep you comfortable throughout the day. Here's how to get the most out of your Factor chair. Adjustable seat height contributes to good posture and comfort. To raise, simultaneously lift your weight from the seat and push down the lever. To lower, push down the lever while sitting. Proper seat height is when your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor. Adjustable seat depth allows you to sit with your back, buttocks, and thighs properly supported without pressure at the back of your knees. Pull up the lever while using your body weight to slide the seat forward or backward. Release the lever to lock. Proper seat depth is when your back is in contact with the chair back and you can slide at least your fingers up to your fist in the space between the seat and the back of your knees. Tilting in your chair increases your overall movement throughout the day. The weight-sensing Synchro tilt feature responds to your body weight, eliminating the need for a tilt tension control. The feature allows the back to tilt at a faster rate than the seat, opening up the angle at the hips as you lean back. You should be able to tilt freely without effort. If you want to fix the chair in position, engage the tilt lock. To lock, click the button. Click the button again to unlock. Then lean against the backrest to activate the tilt motion. Proper use of this feature increases your overall movement while you are working. Adjustable arms allow you to sit in a variety of postures with your elbows and forearms properly supported. To adjust arm height, locate the buttons under the arms. To adjust height, squeeze the buttons while raising or lowering the arms. Release the buttons to lock. To adjust the width between the arms, grasp the arm caps and slide them away or towards your body. Proper keying posture is when your arms hang naturally along the sides of your body, with your forearms roughly parallel to the floor. Adjustable lumbar support helps to maintain the natural curve in the small of your back, reducing pressure in the lower spine. Grasp the support. Raise or lower it to a comfortable position. Proper position is when the back of the chair cradles your lower back comfortably.